Okay, you've probably searched a lot of MLM opportunities or how to make money at home, how to earn money at home, how to make money online. There's a lot of descriptions. And maybe you're finally about to decide on LiveGood. I know for a fact if you're searching around, it's in the top 10. It's very viral at this point. LiveGood, they kicked off around December 13th. Here we are, May. So in about 5 months, they've got millions of dollars of sales just of the wholesale products, which is nice. And as far as affiliates, there's well over 250,000 worldwide, only 40,000 here in America. So less than 1,000 people in each state are even working this business. So you're right at the cusp of when you should be joining. It's optimal. If you're watching my video now, May of 2023, this is a really good time to climb aboard. There's a lot of people to join underneath as an affiliate. I'm an affiliate. Every day I make video and post about this opportunity, and if people want to join, that's great. What I do is I offer quite a bit of support. If you want to get a hold of me for certain questions, I'm more than happy to send you probably just a link to a video helping you get started. I find this business rather easy to get started. Just get a domain name, forward it to your capture page. What's a capture page? I'm going to show you. What I do is I use the top 3 capture pages that all live good. To all live good. What I do is I go to the leaderboards and I just see what the top leaders are doing. One is just the Live Good capture page. Our number one guy by far has his own system, so I use his as well. And then there's another system that's just monopolizing, just kicking ass over in Europe. So I use that too. So what's a capture page? Let me just show you. It's very easy. Okay, this one right here. This is a capture page where you put your name, email address, and then hit, oh my God, yes, let me in. Okay, this is my own custom website, and it takes about an hour to kind of watch video on how to set it up. So once you put your name and address in and you hit, oh my God, let me in, you go through a little bit of a journey about LiveGood, but ultimately, at the end of the day, it'll always go to this page here, because this is the end-all be-all. This is where you put your name and email address in again, and you're going to go ahead and be locked into LiveGood. And if you want to sign up, you can do it on the next page. Or if you want to take a few more days to think about it, just go to your email and you get an email address. Go halfway down and it says join now. I think it's fairly easy. Okay, so there's one journey that is taken here. This is by far the number one capture page in our company. This guy, his name's Jeff. He's dominating. He's going to have well over 20 some odd thousand people in his downline. And this is something that he set up. And if you join my team, I'll show you how to, well, it's basically a video series. You just watch the video and go ahead and set it up. So when you watch this here, see when it says lock in your spot with our team? When you click it, look where it goes. It goes right to the LiveGood capture page, okay? And same with the other one, So if you like this, and sometimes it's kind of cool, it's kind of a sexy girl and the water is always kind of fun and you can't miss this capture page. It's just bright and awesome. But then again, there's no way I can deny the success of the Easy Commission. This takes you on a journey and it has a couple things that you can do to make even extra money. So I can't deny that, when you got well over 20 some odd thousand people in your downline in only 3 months, that the Easy Commission, it's something to look into. And you just basically just follow the steps. And there's plenty of testimonials, I guess you'd call it. So anyway, think about it. If you want to join, it's up to you. You're going to post on TikTok. That's what I do. And I also post on Instagram. And I love this capture page too. This one is probably my all-around favorite. And that's just where people directly watch the video here in the middle and they simply sign their name and email and they can lock into LiveGood, this website right here, rather quickly. And you can go check out the products, wholesale, $9.95 a month or $100 for the year. You get 2 free months and that's kind of cool. And that's it. A very simple business. All you got to do is direct people to your capture page. So like I said, the first thing I do when people join in my group, I say, okay, do you have a domain name? If you don't know what one is, I own joincorey.com, pleasewatchvideo.com, solveproblemnow.com, secretvideotips.com. I've got about 90 domain names, and I use them for multiple businesses and my radio station and some other cool stuff. But I like to use joincorey.com because my name's Corey, and if you want to join, it's kind of easy. And shorter the domain name, the better. I go to GoDaddy, they're about $11. About $11.50, I think, is what I paid over the last week or two for some domain names. And if you can post on social media, which you probably already are, because if you're watching my video right now, you're probably watching YouTube. And YouTube's the greatest invention ever. I think I enjoy YouTube more than anything. Even over like the Netflixes and the Disneys, there's all this opportunity to sit and watch your life kind of disappear into movies. But boy, YouTube, it's fun because you can make money. You can watch old April Wine and Van Halen things, or bring up Cal Worthington and his dog Spot in California selling cars in the 70s. But I really do enjoy YouTube. It's a great invention, and I'm jealous whoever invented it. So anyway, if you're watching my video, you've probably researched LiveGood quite a bit. So if you're interested in joining a team, and I'm kind of I don't know what, I guess you'd call me a free agent. I'm not in one particular team doing die-hard exact, marketing. I kind of look at what everybody does, and I take a couple things from here, a couple things from there. It's kind of like a buffet. You look at all this really cool stuff, and you use a little bit of advice and tips and training and come up with your own recipe for that chicken noodle soup. And what I do is I just send you multiple tools, and you can decide what you think is best for you, especially when it comes down to a capture page, because you're going to need a little bit of help setting it up. And if you can watch video and just take your time and relax, you can set it up. And if you have a tough time, I get it. Sometimes you get stuck, or you open up too many windows on your computer, and then you watch one video and you go back and forth. It can get kind of confusing. But just remember, once you set up your capture page, you don't have to mess with it anymore. All you got to do is just post interesting things, and it can be email, it can be business cards, it can be who you knows, or walking down the street. What's your capture page? Joincorey.com. That's all I say. Less is more. Let the websites and the videos do all the training. And people kind of know. If they want, health and wellness products for wholesale, they know. And if they can afford $9.95 a month, they probably can. And if they want to be an affiliate, it's only $40. That's all it is. Okay? And there's plenty of just unbelievable proof of the success of this company, the products being sold, the satisfaction's huge. Over 97% of people that have signed up clear back in December are still in the program. So how cool is that? Because most programs that are online, by the first month or two, people disappear. It's just too tough. They forget what they even joined in the first place, why they did. And I think by far the two most important things you need to decide are, can you afford this opportunity? Yes. I know you got $40. I know you got $10. It's not expensive. It's very affordable if you're looking for a legit, really cool business. Do you have the time? Because time is more valuable than money to me. Especially now that I'm an older guy with a silver beard, I value time like crazy. And I never did growing up. I thought life just went on forever. Another 24 hours, repeat. Another 24 hours, repeat. Let's do it again. What's going on this weekend? What's going on next month? I'm just always planning and planning. But now it's kind of fun to just sit down, watch some videos, set up a cool business, and make this fun. Make this entertaining. I really have a good time working this. It's satisfying. It's almost like therapy. I say this in almost all my videos. I really enjoy just posting little videos like this. So anyway, if you're interested, just click. All right. I'll probably put, how about joincorey.com? I got so many domains going to different capture pages and whatnot. But if you do join in my business, I'll know about it right away, because I can go in back of the LiveGood website and it'll notify me. And then from there, I'm just going to ask you, hey, do you need help getting a domain name? And let's get it forwarded to the LiveGood capture page of your decision. You can do the one with the pretty girl on the boat, or you want to go with the #1 capture page that well, his name's Jeff, what he designed called the Easy Commission? Or do you want to just go directly to the capture page that LiveGood has designed, which is ingenious, I think. So anyway, okay, joincorey.com. I'll make it that simple. All right, take care, and I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching my video.